Hello, in this video we're gonna check all available gestures and motions on Samsung Galaxy XCover 7. And to do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Inside, scroll all the way down and look for the advanced features. Now, when we scroll down even more, you should be able to find motions and gestures. And the first one is lift to wake. When activated, you can lock your phone and then lift it up with your hand in a grip, and it should wake up without touching any buttons, like this. Next is double tap to turn on screen and double tap to turn off screen. If we lock our device, we can double tap on the black screen to unlock it and double tap again to lock it down. Then there's alert when phone was picked up. If you receive any call or a message and you missed it, next time you're gonna pick up your phone, it will vibrate. And last one is turn over to mute. If you lock your device and put it upside down, that means a screen to the table, it should mute all incoming calls. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.